Now the next log cases are application of product function. So we have already done log mn is equals to log m plus log n. So when two things have been multiplied and its log have to be taken, the things will be added. Let us see one practical example of this. So if this is the question and you have been told to solve it with the log, so what you can do is we can put it equal to y, and another thing we can do is it's having root 4. So we can just delete this and we can put this entire to be equal to 1 upon 4. In case of root we can put half, and in case of 4 root we will have to put 1 upon half. So now if we want to apply the log over here, we will be taking log on both the sides. So when you will take log on both the sides, it will be log y is equals to, this power will come in the front according to mn rule. So 1 upon 4 log. Now these all have been multiplied, so we can apply here mn principle. So log x minus 1 plus log x minus 2 plus log x minus 3 plus log x minus 4 and finally log x minus 5. So we can expand it in this format. Now if we take the differentiation, it will be 1 upon y dy upon dx. 1 upon 4 will be here only. The differentiation of log x minus 1 is 1 upon x minus 1 into differentiation of x minus 1. Now what is the differentiation of x minus 1? That is 0 minus 0. 1 minus 0. Differentiation of x will be 1 minus 0. So it will be 1. So there is no need to write it. Plus differentiation of log x minus 2 will be 1 upon x minus 2. Again x minus 2's differentiation will be 1 minus 0. That is 1. No need to write. It will be 1 upon x minus 3 into 1 same plus 1 upon x minus 4 plus 1 upon x minus 5. So this is our answer. If we want to again write the proper differentiation, so what we can write is dy upon dx is equals to, this y will be multiplied over there. So y 1 upon 4, 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 2 plus 1 upon x minus 3 plus 1 upon x minus 4 plus 1 upon x minus 5. Now looking at the question, you cannot write it y because our question was in the form of x only. So just in the last step what you have to do is replace this y with the original question. So our original question was 4 root x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4 and x minus 5. This was the original question. Into the same exactly we will be writing 1 upon 4 bracket 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 2 plus 1 upon x minus 3 plus 1 upon x minus 4 and plus 1 upon x minus 5. So this will become our final answer.